Welcome back on another video and you're watching Perry Tellon. In this video, I will be talking about how you can get a replacement copy of a valid temporary resident document like work permit or study permit, etc. that was issued by IRCC and that has been lost, stolen, destroyed or never received. We'll discuss how much it costs, what is processing time and what documents are needed. I mentioned timestamps in the description down below if you want to watch any specific topic. The viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So now without wasting any time, let's play the intro. Guys, first of all we need to open up this IRCC official website. I will leave a link in the description down below, and then after that when you scroll down we need to fill this IMM5009 form. When you click on this link it will automatically download this form for you. Let's fill this form now. So when you open this form in Adobe Reader it looks like this. I've already filled this form in order to save the time, but I'll go through this form once for you. So in part A, first of all we need to enter our client ID number, our UCI number, and then our surname, our given name, and then after that we have to choose the gender. We don't have to fill number 4 and number 5. We have to fill our date of birth, place of birth, and then citizenship, and then we have to fill the passport number, and then we have to choose current, and then date of issue, and then expiry date, and then marital status, never married or whatever applies to you, and then after that language of correspondence, English, and then we have to enter our current mailing address, street number, street name, city, country, province, postal code, and then residential address same as mailing address, yes or no. If it's no then give another address, but if it's same choose yes. And then telephone number, Canada or US, type cellular, and then country code, and then type in your phone number, and then after that your email address. And then in part B, what type of request are you making? It's gonna be the replacement of a valid temporary resident document. Immigration document, date of issue. Over here you have to enter the date when was your official document issued by IRCC. So let's say right now we are applying for replacement of work permit, so we need to fill in the date when the work permit was issued. And then over here they are asking for which document we are applying for. It's gonna be work permit, the ID number, the date of issue and expiry date of the work permit. And then scroll down, was your original immigration document lost, stolen, destroyed, other. I've chosen lost. Give the details, what happened, why didn't you receive it. We have to fill that over here. And then if you are requesting a verification of status of an immigration visa and record of landing confirmation of permanent resident, have you applied for it before? No, we haven't applied it before. If you are applying for a verification of status of immigration visa and record of landing confirmation of permanent resident and you are not Canadian citizen, have you since your admission to Canada been convicted of a crime or offense in Canada or elsewhere? No. Are you Canadian citizen? No. And then after that list of all names you ever used, so type in your name. And then after that, did you enter Canada as a visitor, student, worker, permanent resident or protected person? So when we entered Canada we entered as a student, so choose student. And then part C, you don't have to fill this. Then scroll down. So later on when you print this form, make sure you sign it and put the date on. And when you scroll down over here, so over here this is a document checklist that we have to send to IRCC. So the first one is original application form, verification of status. So this form, the IMM5009, we have to send this form that right now we have just filled. The second one, the photocopy of one piece of federal. In this one you can send the passport, your driver license or your health card. The photocopy of another form of identification. In this one make sure you should send your birth certificate and it should be in English. If it's in another language, for example if it is in Hindi or Punjabi or other language, please make sure you get it translated into English. And this one, copy of the fee receipt showing the amount paid, and also make sure you send the fees receipt that you have paid for this document. Additional from these documents you can send the approval letter of your work permit. Make sure you send that as well. So right now we need to pay for this and the cost is $30. So when you click on this it's gonna take you over, and then scroll down and you have to click online payment and then scroll down. We're gonna choose the first option. Click here, answer questions to get fees. So in this one we have to choose apply for something else and then continue, and then after that we have to choose verify my immigration status or replacing an immigration document, and then continue. And over here you get the $30 fees, and then click I am not Robert, and then we have to choose the images and then verify, and then you have to log in and pay. So if you already have account with IRCC, then you can just put your email address and password and log in. If you're a new client, then you can click on register and then click log, and then you can pay your fees. And please make sure print the fees receipt or you take a screenshot of it. Alright, so when everything is done, you have filled that form, you have paid for it, you have to send these all documents via mail. So make sure when you go to post office, you take a big envelope and you have to type in your name, your address, and you have to write this all information on that courier, and make sure you put all the documents in this envelope like your form, your passport, your driver license or your health card, birth certificate. 4 document will be the payment receipt. In additional document you can also send verification or the approval letter of your work permit. That's it. If you guys want to know how to apply for a postgraduate work permit for 3 years or how to download and fill IMM5010 form for postgraduate work permit, click on this I button to watch that video, and I will leave a link in the description down below. Go check it out. Right now the processing time period is 1 month, but it could take longer than that due to COVID and Afghanistan cases going on. I have another full playlist on immigration, go check it out, and link is in description down below. If you have gained any information from this video, so please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel, because I will be uploading such type of content. If you have any queries, so do comment in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.